Right, Spirit, if that's you that's affecting that K2 meter, could you do that again for me? Oh, did do. Right, could you touch that ball, Spirit, that's there? Or could you touch this red light for me? Touch the red light like that, Spirit, and it'll make it do that. All them light colours will light up. No, it's not about, it's the zeros that you want to change on that one. Something's there if the zero, no, it'll do it automatically if anything's there. Then zeros will go to like 1 point something or 0 point something or other. Right, Spirit, we believe that you're there. So could you try to do something a little bit more for us? By touching any of the balls that's on any of the seats. We can see that you're there because we can see that the green light's moving. Because the tablet's on flight mode, so that won't affect it. I see that now. Spirit, try and either touch the red light or touch the balls for us instead of just with the K2 meter. Or try to make a noise in here for us. Right, go closer to that green light, Spirit, and it'll keep going. The colours will get brighter. Keep seeing it.
Spirit, are you a male?
Right, Spirit, if you're a male, could you make them green lights go to orange, please? By going a little bit nearer. Oh, it did do.
Can you do it once more, please, Spirit?
Again, Spirit, if you're male, could you make it so it goes into the orange, please? Yeah, it did do. Right, so you're male then, Spirit. Okay. Right, can you try and make a noise somewhere in here? See that up there, look, it is.
Yeah, that's up top.
That's like a lid type thing, isn't it?
It went orange.
Went to orange again?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll just see if Right, can you just show it how to do them balls?
Yeah, Spirit, can you do this for us?
Try and touch these balls, Spirit. You made them flash earlier, so I'm sure you can make them again. See if you can do that for us, Spirit. They're easy to do. All you've got to do is just move them. Aha. Thank you, Spirit. Thank you very much. Could you do that again? Could you do that again, Spirit? Just one more time. All you've got to do is just move it. Just touch it and it will go off. Same with this, Spirit. If you just touch this, it'll just do that lot. Try and do that for me. All you've got to do is just go slightly near it. Oh, thank you. You'd rather play with the ball. Okay. That's fine. Right, if you'd rather use that one, thank you. Could you touch the other one that's near the red light for me as well, Spirit? Touch the one that's near myself. Right, you like that one? Okay. Give it a tapping. Give it a tapping. Is that you tapping, Spirit? If that's you tapping, make that ball light up again for me. It is. Thank you. Thank you. Is that your way of trying to communicate with me, Spirit? If it is, could you set that ball off again, please? If you're happy to communicate with me. Or set this ball off near me. Because I heard you tapping a minute ago. Is that you I can hear walking around in here with us? If it is, just make that ball light up again for me. Hear it moving. Can hear footsteps. I don't know if this will get picked up on the camera, guys, but we can hear footsteps. Ah, yes, it is. It's this person trying to communicate with me. Right, if that's you that we can definitely hear, Spirit, could you make that flash again? If that is definitely you we can hear walking around. K2 meter keeps going over. Can hear footsteps again. Yeah, did you hear that? Spirit, just light that ball up again for me. Just let me know that's you that's moving around. Yeah, it's happening. Okay, 2 meters. Spirit, just knock that ball again just to make me know that it's you. Was you one of the people who spent a lot of time in this cave that we are in? Was this partly your home? If this was as much your home, if you could set that ball off again, thank you. So you spent most of your life here then, Spirit? Did you die here? If you died here, could you set that ball off again for me? If you did die here. Or was this just your happy place? I can feel something touching my leg. No, something touching my leg at the bottom. We can't pick anything up there, that's the problem. Stop touching it now. Was that you who touched my leg, Spirit? If that was you, could you touch that ball to let me know that was you touching my leg? You don't have to be afraid, honestly, Spirit. We're not here to harm you, just to hear your story, why you still reside here. Whether it be your favourite place, or whether it be the place that you died.
Spirit, are you hiding from the sheriff?
Are you scared of someone, Spirit?
Spirit, was the sheriff an evil man?
Spirit, could you touch that ball just to let us know that you are still here with us, please? That you're hearing our voice? Or my voice? Yeah, me and Richard's not moving. There's Richard's feet. And my feet's down there, so we're not moving. Richard's not moving either. Spirit, could you make a louder noise for us? Or knock one of the balls off or something. Make one of the balls roll off. can hear tapping. Mm-hmm. Mm.
Is there more than one spirit here tonight?
If there's more than one person here, could you make that ball flash? Or this one, please? Either that one or that one. If there's more than just yourself here. Okay, 2 meters still going crazy. I can hear footsteps.
Somebody's moving.
Mm. Yeah. Mm. Is any spirit still here? If there is any spirit still here, could you make the balls flash, please? I think you've gone, don't you? Even I can still hear movement.
Spirit, would you okay for us to be here tonight?
If you'd rather us go, Spirit, if you flash the ball to let us know that you don't want us here and you'd like us to leave, if you flash that ball, we will go. We will respect your wishes and we will leave. We'll deal with that. That's not me.
Not you.
Huh? Yeah, it is.
Not you.
Something in front of me. Spirit, touch that ball because I can hear that you're near me. You're right in front of me, in fact. Mm. Stop now.
Mm. Has somebody scared you off, Spirit?
Let us hear you move a little bit more, Spirit. Mm. Ah, you are still here. Thank you. Is that you that's moving around, Spirit? It's moving around. Right, Spirit, if you... Yeah, it is. Right, if you would like us to leave this cave, Spirit, make the ball flash if you would like us to leave. If you don't want us here communicating with you. Hear that? I'm hoping this camera's picking all of it up. Ah, wants us to leave. Right, Spirit, if you just set it off once more. Right, once more if you want us to go. Just once more, Spirit, if you want us to go. We understand if you do. This is your home. And we will respect your wishes. So if you'd like us to definitely go, make the ball flash. Mm? Mm. Yeah.
Spirit, would you like us to go? If you do, just flash the ball and we'll respect you.
We are very respectful people, Spirit. We will go if you do flash the ball. We'll pack everything up and go. and leave you in peace. Okay, do me, it keeps going over.
You still there, Spirit?
Right, just one more time, Spirit. We just asked you if you want us to go, then flash the ball. That one there. Was you murdered here, Spirit? Or did you just work here? Did you do somebody's dirty deeds for them? That sounded like something had been dragged across then.
Was that something being dragged, Spirit? Was somebody going to get killed then, Spirit, by dragging them?
It just sounded like somebody was being dragged and the heels was like scraping along the floor. That's what it sounded like to me. I think there is more than just the one spirit here. I do believe there is probably 2 or 3. I do. And this is what I'm picking up, that I think there are 2 or 3 spirits here. Right, Spirit, we'll leave you in peace soon because we do have to go somewhere else, so we will leave you in peace. And we hope that one day we can return and you're willing to tell us your story a little bit more. How do you feel about that, Spirit? Could you flash the ball if you're happy with that? For us to return another day? Okay, 2 meter keeps flashing. So there's definitely something here. Definitely. Right.
Would you be happy with that, Spirit, if we come back?
Just flash the ball once, just to let us know, Spirit, that you're happy for us to come back. I think it's gone for now, hasn't it? Probably gone off to do his work. I think.
Are you here, Spirit?
I'm sure I heard a voice then. No. Right, I'll end the video there anyway. Because I think...
Is there any spirits in here? Last chance?
Make the ball flash if you're still here with us. Because we're going to be going in a few minutes.
Can you do that for us just once more?
No.
You sure?